Welcome to CSEd Week, resources from the SMCOE. In this short video tutorial, we will be highlighting a resource from the San Mateo County Office of Education to help you bring computer science to your students. In this video, we will focus on the computer science module of the SMCOE Career Awareness Middle School Electives course. This 15-lesson module introduces students to the type of work computer programmers do to meet the needs of their customers. It begins with the fundamentals phase of the solutionary framework. Students learn basic skills in computer programming using graphics features of p5.js. Students are then asked to apply these skills in a series of daily challenges to create personally meaningful artifacts in the p5.js. In the problem cycle phase, students learn about artists who create designs that inspire people to make changes in their communities and the larger world. Students also learn how graphics and messages are used in well-known social justice and environmental justice campaigns. In the first problem cycle, students brainstorm a message they want to convey about an important environmental or social justice issue in their community through a design in p5.js. They present their ideas to a partner and receive feedback about how to improve their message and design. Students then start to create their designs. Over the next lessons, students work on their designs and continue to receive feedback in a design cycle. Students present their final designs to the class and complete a self-assessment rubric in the solutions phase of the module. In the same way that computer programmers judge the effectiveness of their programs to address consumers' needs, students will consider how their design and message inspires their intended audience to work for change. Each lesson includes a website link, a lesson plan, a teacher slide deck, some student materials, and videos to help walk you through each of these lessons. Let's jump into the first introduction lesson to see what this looks like. So when we go to the website, you'll see that there are videos that explain each of the different steps. There's a slide deck, there's lesson plans and student materials, as well as templates that students can use to get started on their project. So let's dive into the starter project to see what it looks like. The nice thing about p5.js is it has a web editor, so you don't need to download anything. And you'll see that this student template already has some code preloaded. When we press the play, we can see what this code does. When we look in the code, we can make some changes and see what happens in our box after we hit play. So we've changed some of the code, we'll hit play, and it's changed over here in our preview. Students can experiment in order to make their own emoji. Skipping forward, you can see that students can adjust the coordinates of their different circles by typing in different numbers and seeing where things move. They can also change the color of the different items. And the size of different items. And they can even copy and paste in order to create new items. So here we're going to copy and add a line. And make some small changes to create the emoji that we want. Your students will use these same skills in order to create their social justice or environmental sustainability message at the end of this unit. To access the computer science module, please email Daron Marcus or Sarah Watanabe, or visit our website at www.smcoe.org for more resources.